So guys, now we are mixing this food. We don't have a special menu or anything. So today we are mixing everything here. Everything that we get along, we are mixing it. So kama kuna kitu kingine achukue jamaa. Hamna kitu kingine? All right, so we're going to mix. Hii inavyokwenda hii hata kupata siku moja kama hii yote hii tosha. La muhimu chakula chao kama hii sasa watilie nusu yake yani. Kama walikuwa wapate kilo 4, wapate kilo 2. Kama wapate kilo 3, wapate kilo 1.5 alafu nyingine nachanganya. Yeah. Unaweza kati hapa, njoo hapa. Ukishamaliza utakuja kati hapa upande huu. Ikishamaliza mnamwaga hapo, sio? So we are basically going to mix hii majani papaya. Sio nyingi ama tosha hii?
Yatosha hii.
Maki sije kawa ngwadu sana ama uchungu sana.
Acha tupate kiasi.
Kiasi tu. Nyingine utaweza kuachia wenyewe pale kama utakula kula. Alafu wapate chakula kama hicho wapate vinyo ngapi?
Hivi na watilia nusu je sana na itilia nusu. Unajua hiyo kama naona kama kilo nzima hii.
Kilo nzima hii.
Hiyo tosi ni zaidi ya kilo hii.
Okay.
Sasa ukitia kilo nusu tu kila dubasha.
Okay. Watilia nusu alafu watilia na greens. Tosha hiyo. Yeah. So in our menu we have papaya, bananas, then we have commercial feed. No, this is papaya leaves, banana, commercial feed, papaya fruits, azola, moringa, and I don't know this one I told you. Etoje? Zeza. Okay.
Yes.
This guy told me it's called Zeza, but that's it's just not even the national language. It's just a language from one community, right? This is just like I really need to know the name of this. Let me go and film it. This one, he said we call it Zeza, but I need to know the English name. Let me go and see. The tree is that green. It's growing here. This one here. If you look here, it's like hairy, a little bit hard. Okay, it's like it has hairy. That's how it grows. And it's growing very well. It's like invasive. This one here, we have it all over here. So if you know the English name of this plant, please write it down in the comment section. We need to know. Right? Now, you know, while they are preparing the feed, I will just show you one thing here. I went through, after we have tried various ways, now I've given up. I went to the agrovet and bought this one here. This one contains antibiotics and vitamins, anti-stress WSP. Okay. It contains calcium pantothenate. All right. And then we bought also this one here. Okay, now basically I rely much of the time we rely from the nature. I believe that the nature has the complete nutrient for human and cattle, poultry, everything. But this time I have to buy this simply because my turkeys, I don't know why, they have been weak for the last 2 months like that. And we have tried various ways. So we took this way because we're in desperate situation where we want to improve their healthy. Some guys say it's calcium. And I know that calcium, you can get calcium from the eggshells, from the bones of chicken or cows, the bones, dry bone, you pound it into powder and then you give it. So I had to take that way. Let me see here. So you see this one here. This guy is growing very, very weak. That one guy, I'm so sorry, man. And even those those three, they're very weak. And these three birds here, they're all female. They're female. I don't know why they're growing weak. Uh, they're growing weak, but very slowly. They don't grow weak faster. I don't know what's happening. We have really, really tried to give them everything that we have, but it doesn't help. If you have any idea, just write it down. And it's starting raining now. So this is the situation that we have. Even if you look at others like that one there, all of them, they don't look very healthy. These ones here, we help them. These ones here, the Muscovy ducks, they are doing well. Muscovy ducks, no problem. Big problem, turkeys. I'm even trying to give up and just dispose all of them and just say thank you to turkey farming. But as a farmer, you don't give up. So I don't know what's happening. Really, really, I'm very sad. Look at that. She is struggling to stand up, but she can stand up. We took her up, but so we will move her to a place where she can just be by herself. Let me move on and see what's happening here. It is raining now and I can't go out there, but I wanted to see if they have laid eggs. You know, my Brahma, I'm expecting them to lay egg, but they're not laying no egg. I don't know what's happening. They're mature enough. However, the cockerel has not started to crow. He's not, he's big, but he's still growing, this guy here. That one there. That's a Brahma. He hasn't started to wake up people. The Asili has started. So this is the situation we're having now. I think the turkeys they lack calcium. I've been giving them calcium, but no improvement, right? So let's go and see what's happening there. So guys, we're even preparing some coconut scratch. That one there. You see he's holding the coconut scratch. He's scratching using one hand, but actually normally we use two hands. That thing there is coming out all the time. You see that one? So Sawa. So we are scratching some coconut for them. Coconut is very good for chicken and poultry. Coconut is good. Another thing that we can give to a chicken is the banana trunk. In the middle of the banana trunk, as you are taking away layers after layers, you'll come to inner layer that is white flesh, and then you cut it into small pieces. That one you can give it to a chicken. So basically you have everything in the farm. I believe that we don't need to buy food from commercial feed. That's what I believe. We don't need to. It's only that we believe in that, So we have coconut scratches coming along there. Oh. So we are still preparing the meal for our chicken and for our poultry. It will be very interesting to see how they are going to enjoy it. So yeah, let's continue and watching it. Waweza kushika na mkono ukaishagasaga hivi. Kama laini. Hauna haja kuosha mkono, kuku anapenda hivyo hivyo. Ukachanganya yote sasa hivi. Inafikiri hata ng'ombe pia akipata dawa atafurahia sana.
Hii ni chakula hiki.
Sasa hivi ukiwapatia wanashangaa, wanaogopa ama dudu hajui, lakini wakishaonja siku moja,
utasikia utamu.
Watazoea tu. So we are now mixing there. We have azola, moringa, papaya leaves, papaya fruit, and now we have just added some commercial feed. Yeah, more water.
Dawa shatia ndani?
Ile dawa iko pale. Nitaileta. So we are now serving our poultry. Let me just remind you, my guys. The mixture consists of banana, papaya fruit, papaya leaves, bitter leaf, moringa oleifera, and commercial feed. The commercial feed, I think they have maize bran, and surely they have some other stuffs in there. So we are just mixing it, and then we have water, and then we added here DCP. What does DCP stands for? Let me see here. I'm not good at it. DCP stands for the calcium phosphate. All right, this is the thing that we bought. Poultry 250 gram per 70 kg of feed. Others livestock 500. Right. So let's see what's happening now. So it's gonna serve. Oh, we have more food coming along here. These guys are hungry, huh? Yeah, wekea. Now those are our patients. They are getting their food. Usema una sindano sio?
Ile pipe, ile bomba.
Ile bomba lile.
Ile bomba ilikuwa iko,
Tutampigia Rama tumuulize. They really eat. Wallahi hao ukiwapatia hivi kila siku, itakuwa sawa sana. Itakuwa sawa sana. Lile bomba nitampigia Rama alafu tumuulizie kama ataweza kununio. Aliko wapi? Tuwapatia hawa jamaa. So we have the larger birds here that are eating. Yeah. You see, everybody's running away. They have something. They have banana in their mouth. And then we have here. You see, they're really enjoying it. Now, if you see here, this guy is eating, and the duck, that duck there, she was approaching this food, but very carefully, because this guy hates people, and I don't like it very much. Look, you see? They're eating peacefully. So I was just talking to my boy. I told him that we should get, there's a syringe. There's a kind of syringe that we need to feed this guy here. This guy, I think we're losing this guy now. This one here. She wants to eat, but she yani wamnywesha huyu. Yeah, itakuwa uzuri itia chakula alafu utamnywesha ile. So now this is a desperate move we are doing. We have a syringe, you know, not the injection, but we want to put food and then we stop it in its throat and then we feed it. Maybe it will be able to regain, but it has been growing weak very slowly. Now it has come to a place where the legs are just like that straight. I think it's lack of calcium. I don't know, but we'll fight to save this from dying. We don't want to lose it, but there's no hope. Look at that one there. No hope at all. Mwenue vijue mguu wake, mwenue hivyo, alafu mguu yakunje. See, it's crazy, man. It's very hungry. It has appetite, but it cannot eat. It cannot stand by itself. Nataka ndizi na hawezi kula hiyo. ondoa ndizi, usimpe ndizi, machali nyingine. The guy has appetite. It can eat, but it's growing weak. What is this? It's crazy, man. So guys, thank you for now. I am somehow emotional, but we have seen how we feed them. We're trying to do everything we can to ensure that they have a uniform growth and a nice growth. So let us have finger crossed and hope that that one will not die. The guy has gone to get some syringe so we can try to feed it. We can just give it some calcium and vitamins and greens, you know. Let's hope that it will work. It's eating. Look at that one. Very interested to eat. See, it's trying to eat, but it's growing weak. That's crazy thing, man. And this disease or weakness, it has only affected the female. The male turkeys, they're okay. These young men here, look, these ones here, they are doing well. That one there, and those there, they are doing well. It's only the female that are having problem. Let me go out now. So guys, this brings us to the end of our this clip. We have seen how we are feeding our chicken. We have seen the challenges that we have. Yes, we have challenges. Yes, I'm emotional. I'm not happy about it. You know, when you're losing something, you're having it in your hands, and you're losing it, and you are helpless. It's really, really saddening. I'm telling you. And I've mentioned in one of these videos long time ago. It was about a young rooster, a young cockerel that was very weak also. It grew very weak. I don't know what was wrong with it. Now it's okay. Now he has come to an extent where he's pecking on other birds, especially the Muscovy birds. Uh, when I was losing it, I became so emotional. It's not about money. It's not because I bought it and I'm losing money. It's about a member of the family. You know, we consider all our animals as we are one big family here. And, you know, when you have, for me, as a farmer, I develop relationship with each and every bird, each and every cow, you know. That's my nature. So when I was losing it, I became so emotional. I was having it difficult even to sleep in the night. I was thinking about it. So now it's okay. But now we are having another new patient here, that little female turkey. It cannot stand. So it's so emotional. I hope it will be okay. So thank you for watching. Thank you for looking by. If you have any question, ideas, tips, if you have any request or anything, don't forget to comment it down there. All right, especially if you have a solution, just comment it down there. Until later on, stay cool, stay calm, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Oh yeah.